Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to remove unwanted objects or people if that's what you're removing. So open up a photo on which you want to edit. I've already got mine open here and I'm going to be removing this garbage can. There isn't a lot I need to worry about preserving. If it was attached to me or beside me, I'd want to definitely preserve my arm, but as far as the background bush, I can just overlap that. I might want to keep these rails, so when you do need to preserve something, use your selection tool and just highlight the area that it is you wish not to erase or clone over. So I'm going to just highlight a bit of this bar in behind so that I don't erase that um, section. So I just need to fix this, which took the whole garbage can, which is not what I want, otherwise I won't be able to erase. So I definitely want to bring all of that back. And let's take the pole on this side as well. Essentially, I want to keep all of this, so none of this stuff will be affected on this side. I'm going to push that in a little bit. I'm not sure what that is. I might want to zoom in. Okay, that's the pole itself. So yeah, I definitely want to include that. And I want to get rid of the garbage can. I gotta touch that up there. Okay. Close enough, I say. So now what I want to do is I want to go up to where it says Refine Edge. And I want to make sure that it is on white, which it is. Now I can play with these values here. So if it had been a person, I might want to smooth it out so you can, but being that it's just bars, it's not that big a deal. If you drag the feather, just to show you what that does, it makes those edges a little bit blurrier, so it'll blend a little bit nicer if you're doing something with high contrast as well. So you can play with these or leave them as they are. And then when you're happy, make sure that you put the output selection to a new layer with layer mask. And then press OK. The next thing we need to do is we need to add another layer. So I'm going to go down by my garbage can for the shortcut here, and I'm going to create a new layer. But I want to click on it and I want to drag it in between these two. And then I want to check that eyeball again to make sure that that's now visible, the original garbage can. Alright, now I'm going to use the clone stamp tool over here on my left, and I want to hold the Alt button to sample a section that I'm going to use to clone over top. So if I sample, holding the Alt, I'm going to sample some of this bush. I can then draw over top of that garbage can, and you'll notice it's starting to draw another railing. So you do have to do this in small steps by continuously resampling and drawing over, otherwise it will start to repeat itself and it just doesn't look natural. So if you do it little bits by little bits, we will get there. Now you'll notice if I go over the railing, nothing happens there because that's what I used in my quick selection tool to preserve. So if I sample the railing, I'm going to try to just extend it. I'm a little bit low, so I'm going to try going higher up. And I can touch up that other one after. But what I want to do is make it look like it's extending all the way across. I might have to, again, just do bits by bits. Try sampling from the corner as well if that's not working out the greatest. There we go. That looks pretty good. Looks like the railing's in there with some bush kind of in the wind behind in front of it. All right, so I'm going to bring some more of that bush in to cover this up. Might sample from up there just to change it up a bit. Takes a little bit to blend. Down here I can sample some of the ground and start slowly covering up the garbage can down here. And let's sample all the way across. And we'll bring that railing down. Top, because we use that in our selection to not cover up. Looks like I might have left a little bit of that garbage can there. Let's sample some of that. And if you see that there's still a little bit there, I can go to that original layer and I can probably, oopsies, what's going on? Go into, nope, I can't reselect those ones I wanted. Hoping they'd still be highlighted. Alright, well, I'm just going to try to fix this up a bit then. And it looks like I've made this bar come a little bit crooked, so I'm going to fix that as well. So I'm going to bring it this way. And that looks like there we have it. So I'm going to zoom back out. And we have our finished piece. No more garbage can. Okay, thanks for watching.